Today I'm going to show you how to inoculate an agar deep stab going from a colony on a petri dish. So you're going to need your inoculating needle. You want to go ahead and make sure that it is nice and straight. You're going to hold it in your dominant hand like a pencil. I am inoculating into motility media. This one has a screw cap, so you'll want to loosen that before you begin. So we're going to start off by sterilizing our inoculating needle, putting it in the hottest part of the flame at that inner blue cone from the base to the tip. Using the lid of the petri dish as a shield, you're going to go in with the tip of your needle and select a colony and gently scrape up the bacteria from the colony. Replace the lid. Take your agar deep media using your pinky. Remove the cap. Flame the lip. And then as straight as you can, you're aiming for the center. You're going to move the media closer, not touching the sides, and then stick your needle into the media and pull it out on the same stab line. Flame the lip and recap. Don't forget to sterilize your inoculating needle once again. And that's how it's done.